Hey, what's up everybody? So look, before you enjoy my new artwork, I have a great news for you. I have a giveaway right now for these two pictures. They are the same, that two Deadpools, and they also signed on the back. I'm just really grateful that you keep subscribing. I already have about 90,000 followers, and guys, this is super dope. So enjoy right now the Wolverine, and after this I'll explain you more info how you can get one of them. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed the new video, and so let's talk about the giveaway. One picture you can get from the YouTube, and the rules are simple. You just have to be followed my YouTube channel and also make any comment down below, and next week I'll choose one winner and I'll announce him on a video. And details for the second Deadpool picture you will see on a post under the picture of Wolverine. And same, I'll choose the winner next week. You can see the winner on the Instagram story, that's for Instagram. And for the YouTube, I will announce winner on the YouTube. Also, I didn't post for about 5 months. I'm really sorry for that, because a lot of you asked me why I didn't post videos. A lot of you were waiting, and I was pretty much busy. I was doing some cool stuff. I'll show you right now what I did. I have a cool project, the name of it is Lazy Stencils. I started to sell stencils, like they're cool for spray paint, for cookies, for cakes, to make any craft. I mean, you can see it right now.
A few minutes later.
So guys, here's my project, what I was talking about. As you see here, all stencils are laser cut on 5mm thick Muller. It's not like a cardstock what I use on my YouTube videos, it's just like plastic sheet. It's actually more reusable, you can use it for more time than a cardstock. So for example, if you go to brands, I have some cool stencils over here like Supreme, Gucci, Rolex. Actually this one is one of my favorite because I use the stencil pattern a lot of times for the Dragon Ball background, You probably saw it on my previous videos. But also you can see on the characters, but all this stuff you can see by yourself. And the most important what I wanted to show you, that's over here, download only. When you buy these stencils in a download only, I won't ship them to you, but you will get a link on your email or on your phone number to download these stencils. So look, a lot of you ask me about the Deadpool stencil. If you go over here and press on the image, you can see that this stencil has 9 layers. So you see every layer, this type of design. And also read the product description. The file includes PSD, JPEG pictures in original colors, then PNG in stencil colors. And also what is cool, I included name of spray cans which I use. I mean, you can use your own ones, but I included what I use for every project. Also, let's get back again. This one is most popular artwork what I ever sold. And look at this. This has probably like about 8 layers. Let me see. Yeah, it's 8 layers of stencils, and look. That's all what you need to cut. It's super easy except the last one, because like this one is too complicated. And the same, you see name of spray cans are already included. And here the link for the tutorial how to cut stencils. Look, if you press it, you will see my oldest one what I showed you how to cut stencils. And that's all I got, guys. So see you next week. Good luck in the giveaway. And also guys, let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next, and if you have any ideas, just write them in the comments down below. Please like this video and subscribe.